Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. I thought I would just take you along with me on a normal, ordinary day of doing some farm chores just to show you what it's like. You can see me here. I'm throwing some hay to our cows. We have these big round bales, but we unfortunately don't have a way to get these big round bales into our field. We don't have a bale spear for our tractor. So for now, we're just using a pitchfork. We're kind of like peeling off the layers and just throwing it into the cows, and it's been working just fine for us. I like to do this twice a day. I like to get off enough so that way my boys can go ahead and take the chore over for me in the mornings when I do this in the evenings. So I'm getting quite a bit out here. There's the girls waiting for me. They're so patient. I really appreciate these cows. Now, I don't show our machine shed or where we keep our feed very often because, quite honestly, it's a wreck. This is the real side of homesteading, though. Like, we moved in August. We haven't had a whole lot of time to organize, so it's still just a work in progress. So here I am just taking the feed to the pigs and the chickens. We house them both in the same coop, and it seems to be doing just fine for us. They get along perfectly, really. I mean, there's been no issue with them. And it makes it super easy to feed them. I just carry both of their feeds over, dump it right in. Honestly, I mean, I'm not gonna lie here. The pigs scare me just a little bit. I know they're small. I know that they are harmless, okay? But I do not like to get in the pen and feed them. So I just do the reach around method here and try not to pour it over their heads, try to get an opening space here. And it seems to do just fine. My kids, on the other hand, are fearless, and they get right in there with the feed and feed them. But for me, I'm just like, I'll step back and just feed you over the fence here. And it seems to be working fine. They're gaining weight, they're happy, they're healthy. I always give the chickens just a little bit of extra feed up here That way, just in case the pigs happen to eat their feed that I throw out for them, they're still getting their nutrition and they're still getting what they need. They all are happy to climb up here because they roost up here. Here's my favorite rooster coming up to greet me. He is happy to come away from the rest of the flock who's outside and come get his food. Oh, here I am struggling. But here's the fruit of the harvest. Look at these eggs. Whew, that makes me happy. And of course, the barn cats, they follow me everywhere doing chores. It's so cute. I love it. Filling up waters, we have an outdoor spigot, which is super helpful, but does us no good in the winter. It has finally just warmed up just a bit, so we're able to run the hose. The hose is not frozen, so I'm able to rinse these and use the spigot and the hose without having to run buckets, which has been awesome and such a blessing. As I'm watering, here's a random rooster fight. And honestly, this is why I hate chickens. They're unpredictable, they're crazy, and they do wild stuff like this. But I love the eggs. All right, that about sums it up. I'm back in for a warm cup of coffee. If you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.